Hello everyone, I am Manju Kina. I am your English teacher and today's topic is phonics of alphabet. Do you know the alphabet? Alphabet has 26 letters. Let us sing a song of alphabet. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, butter on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Now, let us learn the phonic sounds from A to Z. A. A says apple. B. B says ball. C. C says cat. D says dog. E says elephant. F says frog. G says grass. H says hat. I says insect. J says juice. K says king. L says lamb. M says monkey. N says nose. O says ocean. P says parrot. Q says queen. R says rat. S says sunflower. T says tub. U says umbrella. V says violin. W says water. X says box. Y says yacht. Z says zoo.